Hi guys. In this video, I am going to show you how to copy Excel sheet to another sheet. It's very simple and quite easy, so let's get started. On the bottom of your Excel sheet, here you can see the sheet name. Just right-click on it, and then select the option Move or Copy. Now here, if you select the option New Book, and click on Create a Copy here, and then click on OK. And as you can see, your Excel sheet has been copied to a new Excel sheet. Now, if I choose the current sheet here, and if I select the page here, then my sheet will copy to the current sheet on the same page. And if I choose Move to End, then my Excel sheet copied to the current sheet but with a new page. So it was the simple and easiest way in which you can copy an Excel sheet to another sheet. If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section below. We're eager to hear from you.